Today, you will learn how to create a custom table in Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open your Word document and go to the Insert tab at the top. Click on the Table option and from the drop-down menu, choose Draw Table. As soon as you click this, you will notice that your mouse cursor changes into a small pencil icon. This means you are now in drawing mode and you can start designing your table freely. Now, the first step is to draw the outer border of your table. Click anywhere on the page, hold the mouse button, and drag to draw a big rectangle or square. This will become the main boundary of your table. You can make it as large or as small as you need, depending on your design. There is no restriction here like normal tables. You have complete control over the size. After drawing the outer border, you can start drawing rows and columns inside it. Use the pencil to draw vertical lines for columns and horizontal lines for rows. The best part is that these lines do not have to be equal. You can make one column wide, another narrow, or create rows of different heights. This is very useful when making custom forms or structured layouts. One important thing to remember is that your lines must connect from one border to another. You cannot draw a half line in the middle of nowhere. Every line must touch another line or the outer border. When you draw, Word shows light dotted guidelines to help you align things properly. This makes it easier to draw straight and connected lines. You can even create small boxes inside larger boxes. This is called a nested table effect. For example, if you have a big cell and you want to divide only that area into smaller parts, just draw another rectangle or lines inside that cell. This gives you a very advanced level of control that normal tables cannot provide. If you make a mistake while drawing, there is no need to panic. Go to the Table Layout tab that appears when you are working with the table and click on the Eraser tool. Your cursor will change from a pencil to an eraser. Simply click or drag over the line you want to remove and it will disappear. When you finish erasing, click the Eraser tool again or press the Escape key to stop using it. Once you finish drawing your table, you also need to exit the drawing mode. Either click again on Draw Table in the ribbon to turn it off, or press the Escape key. Your cursor will return to normal, and now you can start typing inside the table cells. After creating the structure, you can design and format your table just like a normal table. Select the table and go to the Table Design tab. From here, you can change border styles, line thickness, colors, and shading. You can make your table look professional and clean according to your document needs. You can also adjust table properties for better layout. Right-click on the table and choose Table Properties. Here you can control alignment, text wrapping, indentation from the page margin, and even add alternative text. This is very helpful when you want your table to fit perfectly in your document. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.